So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to increase the PayPal limit. So if you want to increase your PayPal limit, you will first need to log into your PayPal account. So let's open it up. From that point, you will need to go to your account settings or summary. So let's get to that. You will need to go to your profile icon or just in general your profile in the top right corner. So let's click on that. And from that point, you can see a couple different stuff. From communications for your contact info, notification preferences, and marketing preferences, your account info for login and security, data and privacy, and payment preferences as well. So on there, if you've gone to your financial info or limits, if it's a part of that, that means that you need to have added a specific card, and you can go ahead and click on limits to view your current status and select lift limits or the specific option to verify your identity. You can link and confirm your bank account and debit/credit card. So once you've done that, it really does come down to you then notifying your bank if it's necessary for that limit to be lifted. And just make sure that your bank account or credit/debit card is confirmed. And provide requested identity or business documents if prompted by the system. So that will be about it. These are some of the steps you need to take for that limit or for that limit to be lifted, so you don't have to think about that anymore. So it's going to be limitless from that point on. So it's really simple. Just get to your account and find limits as a subsection to go ahead and lift those limits. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share a video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on PayPal or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.